Now let's look at inventory registration in CommonCore plugins. All inventories have to be registered in the inventory section of the configuration. The CommonCore currently supports only chest inventories, and because of that, all inventories have to be registered under the key chest inventories, which is in the inventory section. To register an inventory, you firstly have to specify an inventory identifier. It is similar to item identifiers, and you can use this inventory identifier throughout your config at other places as well. After that, you have to specify the title of the inventory, and this title will be displayed in the upper left corner of the inventory. It also supports color formatting using the paragraph symbol. You also have to specify the size of the inventory, which represents the number of inventory slots. To specify the content of the inventory, you have to type content, double dot, enter, and then you can register an item in the inventory. To register an item in the inventory, you have to specify the item slot number at which the given item will be registered. Be careful because the slot numbers start from 0. After you write the item slot number, you have to type double dot, press enter, and then you have to specify the item which will be located on the given inventory slot. This item will be specified using an item identifier, and it should point to an item that you have already registered in the item section of this configuration. Every item slot can also have some actions that will be triggered when the player clicks on the item that is located in the given inventory slot. Please bear in mind that every plugin has its own inventory click actions. Every click action also has various action arguments that have to be specified for the action to work. Now let's look at an example. Here we have specified two inventories. The first inventory has an inventory identifier Ultra Chest Menu. The title of the inventory is Ultra Chest Menu. Its size is 36 slots, and on the first slot there will be a beacon block, and when you click on this item it should replace it with a slime block. On the fourth slot there will be a slime block, and when you click on the slime block it should play the sound called Fire Ignite. Bear in mind that these actions are only for an example and they may not work in all plugins. The other inventory that we have specified has an inventory identifier main menu. Its title is Better Beacons. It has 45 slots, and on the 12th slot there is an item which is a beacon, which we have also registered in one of the previous videos. And when you click on the beacon block, it should open another inventory called Setup Menu.